Hey, this is Cleet with Local Guys Moving. We're working out in Black Mountain today. Just wanted to let y'all folks know Appalachian Smoke Barbecue is out here at the Exxon station just off exit 64 in Black Mountain selling barbecue today. They'll be here till 4:30 and they're here most days. Stop by and support a local business. We really appreciate the work. Stay local and support all local businesses. Thanks, Western North Carolina. We appreciate the work. Check out Appalachian Smoke Barbecue at www.appalachiansmoke.com, and they're also on Facebook too.